English practice with Lengo cards. 10 wild animals. Armadillo.
An armadillo has a hard shell and can roll up into a ball.
Moose.
A moose is a big deer with huge antlers.
Oryx.
The oryx is a type of antelope with long, curved horns.
Buffalo.
A buffalo is a big animal with thick fur.
Bison.
The bison has a large head and a hump on its shoulders and can weigh up to 900 kilograms.
Yak.
The yak is a large, shaggy animal that lives in the mountains of Asia.
Capybara.
A capybara is a social animal that lives in groups and likes to swim.
Camel.
The camel can drink up to 100 liters of water in just 13 minutes.
Zebra.
The zebra is a striped animal that lives in Africa and is related to horses.
Hippopotamus.
A hippopotamus is a big animal that spends most of its time in water.